Today was day one of my training, and I am so excited. It's been a long day. I've learned so much. This really has exceeded my expectations. I've learned a lot about the correct way of dining, different dining styles, some things that I did not even know before. I've truly enjoyed going over the protocol and etiquette differences. I was able to hold my first hands-on training with two students, which went really amazing. I think I did pretty well thanks to Miss Thomas, who really taught me well. I am really excited of what's to come, how I'm going to be able to build my business with the tools I've been giving in the training. Looking forward today to tomorrow, and I know it's going to be really awesome talking about things I need to do to be able to build a successful business. I think that this has been such a great experience. I recommend to anyone who would like to get certified for this type of business to really think about taking the training. It's been really amazing, and I know that with the tools I've been given, I'm really going to be able to succeed. Thank you, Miss Thomas.